Hey hookers, good morning. Do you want to have some fun?
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 Every month,
we will hold a Yarny challenge for you.
To participate, share a photo of your entry to the Facebook group.
To our Facebook group.
The Facebook group.
to our Facebook group.
Your name will be entered into a random drawing for a fun prize.
Fun prize.
Fun prize at the end of the month.
Photos may be shared to the weekly live on YouTube for everyone.
Everybody.
For everyone.
Everyone to admire your amazing work. Are you in?
Are you in?
Are you in?
Are you in?
We will have a Yarny challenge.
Come on, just do it.
Want to have some fun? That was totally creepy, wasn't it? Hey hookers, want to have some fun? Every month we will hold a Yarny challenge for you. To enter? Nope. Keep doing it wrong. Are you in?